it's been a while, but here I am. So what's up, everybody? So today, gosh, I hate when I say that. So today, anyway guys, today is supposed to be my day off, but I have decided to come in to work only half day. It's 12 noon right now and I am heading home, but before that, let's talk. So today is my day off, by the way. I had to come in because we have a VIP guest that needs to be taken care of this morning. We were sold out last night, so I was not able to prepare the room for our VIP guest. So we did that this morning with my team. So yeah, that's what happened. So and I had some, you know how it is when it's a job, you have to order stuff and blah blah blah, etc. blah blah blah. So something came up, something wrong with my order, so I had to make some calls and take care of everything before I can leave. So now that I'm heading back to my baby, he's waiting for me right now. I'm not sure if he is, but we're planning a bonding, just kind of like a movie or whatever we can come up later. We have a bird. I'm not sure if it's a parrot. I think it's a parrot, but it's not talking. It just make a weird sound, but it's not talking. Anyway, it's from my brother-in-law. So he left his. We are babysitting a parrot or a bird. I don't know. I'll show it to you later. We're babysitting this bird. So yeah, we're gonna go home right now and we'll see you there. So I'm home and I am home and I am home and somebody's talking to me right now. So this is my friend, you guys. Her name is Hazel and she is very adorable. Hang on, check this out. I'm gonna show her to you guys. Hang on. Say hi, everybody. Hello, everybody. Welcome, everybody. Oh yes, welcome. Hi. Oh, hi, Hazel. Hi, Hazel. So I'm not sure if I'm doing the right thing here, but I'm planning of letting her out from her cage, see if see if she likes me or what. So I don't know if I'm doing the right thing. So let's put you there. Let's put this here with you guys. I can't believe I lost my camera holder. Gee. Okay, let's put you guys over there, okay? Hang on, you guys. Come on, Hazel. Hazel. Are you excited to go out? How to open this? I don't even know how to open this. Hang on. I'm thinking, Hazel. Okay, so I am letting her cage leave it open like that. Hi, will you wanna come out? Hi, you wanna come out? Come on, come here. Come on out. It's okay. It's okay. You can come out. Come on. Come here. Come on out. Come here. I'm not gonna force myself because she might hurt me. I'll just wait for Terry later. I'll wait for my husband later. Guys, it's my day off. Well, somebody has decided to come out. Hi. Hello. Oh, hello. Are you ready? Are you ready to come out? Are you ready? You are? Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Look at my beautiful friend. Are you saying something? Are you? Hello? She's kind of stink. I hope she didn't poop. She didn't poop on me. Finally, guys, Hazel decided to come out. And we're gonna take selfie right now. Ready, Hazel? Ready? 1, 2, come on, smile. There you go. 1, 2. You're looking at me. She's looking at me weird. She's like, oh my gosh, that lady is weird. Ooh. Cuckoo. Cuckoo. Who's Coco? You're Coco. Ah, you're Coco, not me. With her for now. I am going to the library to print out more documents for my mom and my dad's papers. So I'm gonna put her back to her cage, to her sweet cage. She's okay, come on now. It's time for you to go back there. Because I need to come on, come here. I need to go to the library. Come on, sweetheart. Come on. Don't be silly. Don't be a turd. No, not there. Hey, come on in. Come on. Get in my hand. Come on. Get in my hand. Okay. There you go. You have to go in first. You have to get inside. Come on. Come on. There you go. Good girl. Thank you. Thank you. I'll see you later.
No, it ain't.
Guys, just came home from the library. And I'm with my man right now and we're watching old movies. So that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're doing right now.
We're doing.